Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to For Wheels Empire. If you're looking for an affordable and reliable OBD2 scanner to diagnose your car's check engine light, then you're in the right place. Today, we're reviewing the Launch CR319 OBD2 scanner, a budget-friendly yet powerful tool for car owners and DIY mechanics. Let's see how it works and if it's worth your money. This scanner is lightweight, compact, and has a 1.77-inch LCD display. The buttons are easy to navigate, making it user-friendly, even for beginners. If you're interested, I've dropped the link in the description for more details and where to buy. Be sure to check it out. The OBD2 scanner gets the complete 10 modes of OBD test to retrieve car fault codes, view freeze-frame data to determine the cause of certain problems, aids and clears check engine lights, turn off mill and check vehicle emission-related monitors such as OTA sensors, evap system, etc. The OBD scanner CR319 full OBD function scanner can fast read and clear trouble codes, check emission-related monitors, accurately pinpoint the problems of your vehicle, turn off the mill, and reset the monitors. It enables you to fix the issues yourself, or enlighten you about what might happen before bringing in for repairing. And more. Launch CR319 scanner can read the car's information such as VIN number. Most American, European and Asian OBD-compliant models manufactured from 1996 and newer are covered by this OBD2 diagnostic scan tool. It supports all OBD protocols, KWP200, ISO 9141, J185OBPW, J185OPWM and CAN controller area network. The CR319 as an easy-to-use handheld code reader featuring complete OBD2 diagnostic functions, easy operation, compact design, etc., with a budget-friendly price. Launch CR319 is the best possible solution for any entry-level dyers to perform basic car maintenance. Pros: affordable, supports all 10 OBD2 test modes, no batteries required, user-friendly. And cons: doesn't support advanced diagnostics, no Bluetooth or mobile app connectivity. So, should you buy the Launch CR319? If you're a car owner looking for a simple, effective, and budget-friendly OBD2 scanner, this is a solid choice. It's perfect for quick diagnostics and can save you a trip to the mechanic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car-related content. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.